Want to speak real Japanese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at JapanesePod101.com.
Hi everybody, my name is Alicia. In this lesson, we're going to look at how to talk about family members in Japanese. Let's get started. Okay, let's take a look at the vocabulary. The vocabulary for this lesson is a list of family member words. Important to note for this lesson is that the vocabulary here consists of words that we use when we're speaking directly to our family members. So when we're at home, for example. Okay, let's go one by one. First is chichi, chichi, father, chichi, father. Then we have haha, mother, haha, mother. Next is ane, ane, which means older sister, ane. Next is imoto, imoto, which means younger sister. This is important to note, this difference. There is a different word for older sister and younger sister. Ane and imoto. Okay, next is ani, ani. This means older brother, ani, and ototo, ototo, which means younger brother. So this is important to note. In Japanese, there are separate words for older brother, and older sister and younger sister. Okay, next is musume, musume. This means daughter, musume, daughter. Next is musuko, musuko, which means son, musuko. Okay, next is otto, otto, which means husband, otto. So you'll see this small tsu here. That means we need to stop in the middle of the word. So not otto, but otto, otto, which means husband. Finally, we have tsuma, tsuma. This means wife, tsuma. So these are the key vocabulary words for this lesson. Okay, let's take a look at the dialogue for this lesson. First, we see this question. これは誰ですか? 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 Which means, who is this? The answer, これは夫です。これは夫です。これは夫です。This is my husband. これは夫です。So, in this dialogue, we see in red the family member name. Let's talk next about some other examples and the basic pattern that you can use to make sentences like these. Okay, let's take a look at a couple of other examples that we can use to talk about our family members. First is this sentence. これは兄です。これは兄です。これは兄です。Which means, this is my older brother. In this sentence, in red, we see ani, which means older brother. これは兄です。Let's look at the second example sentence here. これは娘です。これは娘です。Which means, this is my daughter. これは娘です。This is my daughter. Okay, last, let's take a look at the basic pattern that you can use to create your own sentences. Okay, last, let's take a look at the basic pattern that you can use to create your own sentences like these. Here, we see これは plus family member です。これは family member です。This pattern creates this type of sentence. This is my family member. So, in the part of the sentence, in red here, that says family member, choose one of these words that we talked about earlier. これは family member です。We see this pattern in all of these example sentences. これは兄です。これは娘です。And so on. So you can use this to talk about your family members.
Do you remember how to say husband? 夫 夫 And how to say this これ これ Do you remember how to say This is my husband これは夫ですこれは夫です And how to say wife 妻妻 Do you remember how to say father 父父 And how to say mother 母母 Do you remember how to say older brother 兄兄 And how to say younger brother 弟弟 Do you remember how to say older sister 姉姉 And how to say younger sister 妹妹 Do you remember how to say son 息子息子 And how to say daughter 娘娘
Great! In this lesson, you learned about family member words in Japanese and a basic pattern that you can use to talk about your family members. I hope that you enjoyed this video. My name is Alicia, and I will see you again in another video on JapanesePod101.com. Bye! Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.